so I'm going to share what I got with you guys.
I was kissing you with my eyes open.
So the vibes for this haul are very much wanting fall to be here, wanting it to be cold outside, hating the heat, that kind of vibe. Some of the items I got this time around are actually considered plus size, but to be honest, Shein kind of runs on the small side. So pretty much everything I got was black except for one thing. And I did get a couple of accessories, so let me show you guys what I got. So one of the first things that I got is this cardigan that I'm currently wearing, and honestly I was a little confused with how to wear it just because it's so slouchy that the sleeves actually start in the middle of the whole entire cardigan. I can't explain it, I'll show you guys what I mean. Extremely slouchy. Whew. I'll be including all the links down below, including prices and pictures of what they look like on the website. I do really like this cardigan. I think it's going to go with a lot of my clothes because I do wear a lot of black all year round. I feel like I'm going to be wearing this in the house as much as I wear it outside. I feel like I definitely will be getting my money's worth for this cardigan. Then the next item that I got is this really nice purplish, like a lavender tie-dye skull oversized shirt, and it says don't hesitate beyond the truth. That really means nothing to me, but I thought that the design was really nice and really Halloweenish inspired. The back is just plain. This was in a 1XL and it's pretty long, so I feel like if I wear this with shorts and with some tights, I can wear it with some thigh-high boots and it would be a really cute look. So definitely excited for this. It's definitely giving me some pastel goth vibes, which I've always been a fan of, just have never really dressed that style before. But I've been so obsessed with oversized t-shirts lately. I've been wearing them so much all summer long with shorts, and I'm probably still going to be wearing them in the fall and winter months anyway, just with a cardigan or something. So that's this. I got this black bodysuit in an extra large, and this is just a really great basic to have throughout the fall and the winter months because I like to layer my clothes a lot, and that's really it. I like to layer a lot, so this is a really great piece. I still have to try this on to see if I like the fit. I'm really surprised with how thick this quality is because Shein's quality is not usually the best, but this is very thick. It's a nice stretchy ribbed material, so I'm definitely looking forward to making outfits with this. So up next, I got this really cute laced t-shirt, and this is in the size 1X. So personally, I would wear some type of bandeau or a tank top or a crop top underneath that's form-fitting because it shows everything when you have it on without something underneath. I do really like the style, and I feel like I can lace up, like close it until a certain point. It's a little bit big, because I think this was supposed to be a little bit more form-fitting. It's still alright. I still like the way that it looks. I think this is great for the summer too. I'm looking forward to wearing this also. Next up are just two plain black crop tops, and I'm not going to show you this on because I tried it on and it fits me more like a sports bra. It's just extremely cropped. This is a size large, and I wanted something that was more tight because when I wear certain types of tops that are mesh, this is the style that I wanted to have underneath. So it just looks like this. It's another nice ribbed stretchy material. It's kind of similar to the bodysuit, so I just got two of these, and they're just, you know, good basics to have. I usually get these from Amazon. I actually think I prefer the Amazon ones better. They're just a little bit more, I would say, comfortable to wear, but these are great too, so great basics to have. So now I'm going to be showing you guys some accessories, and the first things that I got are these really cool earrings. I'm wearing them right now. I'll do a better up close afterwards. I've been wanting some sword-ish inspired earrings recently, and I think that these look really great, and I really like them. So then next we got a pack of scrunchies. These are these really pretty star galaxy style scrunchies, but it comes with black, navy, and gray, and they're just really pretty enough to put on your wrist. They're pretty enough to put your hair up with. I just needed some more scrunchies, so I got these. Oh my gosh. I didn't realize that my eyelash was coming off. I need eyelash glue. Oh no, my eyelash! What can you do? It happens. And then this was kind of a last minute impulse buy, but I saw this hair clip and I thought it was so pretty. I got this really pretty hair clip thing, and it just has some stars and I don't know what you call these, just gems and stars coming down. The only problem is the clasp does not work. It does not click shut, so that's going to be a problem. I might have to do some hair accessory surgery to fix this. It's really pretty, and I mean, you kind of get what you pay for when you order from Shein. All in all, really pretty. I like it. And then I got this really pretty headband. I've been really into like galaxy style accessories, I guess, lately. And this is just this really pretty crescent moon and star headband in gold. And it looks really pretty, so my hair is kind of a mess right now. I wouldn't wear it like this. I would definitely fix my part and stuff, but I think it's really pretty. I apologize for not having my nails done. That is everything that I got from Shein. I definitely will be shopping from them again. They have some really cute pieces. I think that they're great if you want to experiment with trends. As you can tell, I was in very much the fall spooky mood, so that definitely reflected on the things that I got. And for the most part, I'm pretty much happy with everything. So that's that. I would be very happy to do more hauls, and if you're looking for something else to watch, check out my latest video. I'm gonna go glue my eyelash back on. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!